Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this special video. I hope you're doing great and are ready for a colorful and relaxing experience. Today, we're going to create a simple yet stunning painting of a flower with soft petals and a dreamy, colorful sky. This video is especially for those who are just starting their journey into painting, so don't worry, it'll be with you every step of the way. In this video, we're going to create a simple and easy watercolor painting. This technique is perfect for beginners, and you don't need any special skills, just have fun and let the colors do their thing. Stay with me till the end of the video because I'll be sharing some simple yet magical techniques that will make your artwork unique and special. First, we'll place our main and base colors as small dots on the paper. Yellow in the center. In order, light green, light blue and ultramarine in the end. Here we go, we've placed our colors in order and as dots. Then, using a brush that isn't too wet, we'll blend and spread the colors. The magic happens as the pigments mix and flow together. As we blend and spread the colors, we can wet our brush if needed, but remember, don't make it too watery. If the brush holds too much water, the colors will spread too much and won't match our technique, which can leave unwanted blotches on the painting. Control is key here. A slightly damp brush gives you soft blends, while too much water can make things unpredictable. So, experiment and find the balance that works best for you. Well, let's take a moment to listen to the sound of spring birds because this is also part of the technique, to calm your mind while painting and continue painting with full enthusiasm. Enjoy every brush stroke, or even let new ideas emerge in your mind. Sorry to interrupt your relaxation, but I should remind you that here, for the highlight of our sunlight, we'll add a bit of white because this is the part where the most light is concentrated and appears white. That's great! Well done, you're doing amazing, keep going. At the beginning, it might feel a bit challenging, or you might be afraid of making mistakes, but that's totally okay. Just keep your passion alive, practice, and take it step by step with patience. If you're enjoying this painting journey with me so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support keeps me motivated to create more relaxing and inspiring content for you. Let's grow this creative community together. Now, let's add some details with a few flowers and petals. First, we'll start with the stems, then move on to the leaves, and finally, we'll paint the petals. When painting petals, as always, pay attention to light, medium, and dark tones, as well as highlights where the light hits the strongest. This will bring depth and realism to your flowers. For a more natural and balanced look in your painting, pay close attention to tone and color transitions. Gradually shift from one shade to another and softly blend the colors at their edges. This way, you'll achieve a smooth, seamless effect instead of a harsh, coated look. Think of it like a sunset. Colors don't suddenly change, they melt into each other. So take your time, be gentle, and let the magic happen. Soft transitions and gentle shading will make your petals look delicate and natural. So take your time and enjoy the process. Remember, the key is to be patient and let the colors flow naturally. The more you practice, the better your control over tones and textures will become. So keep painting, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with it. And there you have it. A simple yet beautiful watercolor painting with soft blends and natural transitions. See you in the next video. Like, comment, and share if you enjoyed. It means the world to me. Allah Hafiz.